this special schnapps, it's a hay schnapps. Hay, it's a hay is grass or really helpful grass from our field down there. It grows just in June. In June we have a wonderful flower field. Also eine wunderschöne Blumenwiese.
Ja.
Ja. Kräuterwiese.
Ja.
And helpful flowers. I picked them up, dried by sun, put this in a big bottle, put some alcohol on in it, sugar, and then I wait a little bit with sun, shadow. Then the fermentation, I think, works. And then you get this wonderful color. It's gold actually. If you
like hay.
It looks like whiskey, yes.
Yeah, but it's like
you're right, but it is actually a gold color, and it smells like hay or a green tea. You know, tea, green tea. Yeah. Smells the same.
Yeah.
So to drink.
Auf Gesundheit.
Zum Trinken. To drink.
Schluck.
You take a nap, a sip, a little one.
Okay.
Use it in your mouth like you're tasting wine.
Yeah.
Then you get this wonderful flavor in your mouth, and then you breathe your breath from your nose out.
Okay.
Your air.
Okay.
Exactly.
To get the aroma.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That you can feel the aroma in your mouth and in the nose.
Okay.
Don't worry, it's not that strong.
Okay.
It's just delicious. Also.
I trust you.
Prost!
Prost! Prost!
Oh yeah.
Guten Geschmack.
Schmeckt gut?
That's
Huh?
very good.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
very good. Hey, it tastes that good.
34.
Kein Preis
Er
jetzt.
ist nicht allzu stark. Deswegen, genau.